Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll tell you how to make a Shein account, a Shein affiliate program, and earn from it. So let's get right into it. It's really simple. You share Shein products using your unique affiliate link. When someone buys it, you earn a commission up to 20%. So, how to sign up? Basically, go on SheinAffiliate.com as you can see over here. Click sign up and fill in your details, which includes your email, name, and your social media or website. Once approved, log into your website, log into your dashboard, and that's it. So search for any product or promo inside the affiliate dashboard. Click get link next to the item. Copy your custom link, that's the one you'll share on your TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or wherever you want. Now use trending items in your content, post styling tips or unboxing, add links in your bio, description or stories. The more clicks and sales, the more cash you will earn. And that's it. If you're into fashion and content creation, Shein Affiliate Program is a super easy way to start monetizing your audience. No upfront cost, no inventory, just pure link sharing. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.